What are you doing this afternoon, me?
A lady on YouTube says that this goo turned her wavy hair into this gorgeous. It took 2 ingredients and the straightening results are permanent. At least that's what she says.
I've tested so many natural hair straightening methods, but I haven't found one that works like or better than heated tools. This may be the one. I need to test this.
To make this 2-ingredient hair straightening potion, we need 3 ingredients.
Wait, what?
Water, rice flour, and olive oil. If you don't have rice flour, the lady in the video says that we can just blend rice until it turns into powder.
So the store-bought flour is a little bit extra fine. The grains are extra small, but there's not a big difference between this and what I just made. Does it work the same? I don't know. If you try it, please let me know.
To cook it, we add 2 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of rice flour. We cook it at medium heat and keep on mixing so that it doesn't burn. We stop as soon as the mixture turns into a thick goo. In my case, it got there in about 5 minutes. We let it cool down.
Ow! Ow, 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 ow.
Definitely let it cool down. Now that it's cool, we can add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We are ready to test this.
But before we do that, please know that I really don't know if this works or not. Sure, rice has been used in lots of hair straightening remedies, but it doesn't mean that it actually works.
According to my head of research, olive oil makes your hair shiny, but it doesn't straighten hair. And water, it's water.
The one thing I know is that if this hair mask doesn't work on my wavy hair, it's obviously not gonna work on curly hair.
But if it works, my husband and his curls have signed up to test it.
We are ready.
The lady says that as long as you cover your hair with this goo from top to tips, you can apply it as you wish.
Am I really doing this for straighter hair? I thought this was gonna be so messy, but it's actually a pretty manageable mask. What is going on? I won't even be able to see if it works or not.
To increase the chances of straightening my hair, I'm wrapping my hair around my head.
Even though the girl in the video, she literally puts it up in a bun and then 2 hours later, she has straight hair. I mean, she has my type of hair. So if it's straight in her hair, I have very high chances of getting the same results or even better if this works.
We're gonna leave this in for 2 hours. We are directed to wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. And now we just let it dry. This is my hair without brushing. Honestly, the only difference I see is that my hair now looks dull and rough. But here's what happened as soon as I brushed it. It kind of straightened. It's definitely not this kind of straight, but it's something. However, less than 30 minutes later, my wave started to come back. So it's definitely not permanent. So I decided to try it again 4 days later.
Today, I am just showering in this. Something is wrong with me. What did my life turn into? I used to be a normal girl. It fell on my eye. Heavens, please help. Great times. Just another day in the neighborhood. Oh man, there's rice everywhere. There's rice everywhere. Everywhere, there's rice everywhere. I think I'm pretty done with this. There's so much rice you can put on your hair. This time is gonna be straighter than straight.
But it wasn't. It actually looks wavier than before. I did get softer hair from this.
The other thing that I got out of this was a lot of residue. My scalp is so itchy. I'm not even kidding. I woke up scratching. I'm still itchy. I've made a lot of progress with my scalp's health, and I'm hoping that this didn't ruin it. I've decided that it's not worth putting Carlos through this because if it doesn't work on my wavy hair, what is it gonna do on curly hair?
While it's true that you may need various applications to see better results, remember that this is what this hair supposedly turned into with just one application. Do you think this worked? Or is someone lying? Or am I messing everything up?
If you like this video, click on these tests and get ready to binge watch. Besos!